everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is, how easy is it to find a barber to get a haircut? I was thinking exactly the same. I was like, oh, what should I do? Do I need to see Phil, the hairman, every couple of weeks to get a haircut? I don't live in Bristol, and what should I do? The answer to your question is, you can get your haircut in any barber. All you need to do, tell that barber, this is not my hair, this is the hair system. He might not believe it. That's exactly what happened when I first went to the barber shop. I was like, oh, this is not my hair. I was like, what do you mean this is not your hair? So this is not my hair. This is something called hair system. And he couldn't believe it because, as you can see, it looks very natural. Anyway, back to the story. So I just told him, this is not my hair. Please use clips to clip the hair system together. So when he trim the sides, he doesn't take off any of the hair system. And yeah, it's pretty much easy. If you have any more questions, send me an email on the email down below or leave some comments. I'll see you soon. Bye.